In this video, I will show you how to insert a split button to increase or decrease value in Excel. So, firstly, we need one column before quantities. So, insert column. Now, so we have this split button column now. Click on Developer tab. You can enable this Developer tab using the Customize ribbon. Now, insert and select this spin button and draw here like this. Now click here and drag and drop. Now right click on it, format control, and click here and select this one. Press enter. Click on OK. Now you can increase, so you can see the changes appear here. So you have to do one by one like this. And you have to make this setting one by one. Same, click here and format control and select this one, second one. Click on OK. Now click anywhere and make changes. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.